Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. This is a come to Shreveport with me vlog. But before we go to Shreveport, we have a couple of things to do. I have already packed up my oldest daughter's stuff. We're taking it back to Shreveport for her. She's getting ready to settle in her new place. So, child, I had to haul all that stuff up and down those stairs last night and pack up my truck. I'm gonna have to go to the salon and clean it up because I rent it out on Sundays to a lady. And then we go pick up Mr. B. Braylon's been in Shreveport with his sisters all summer long. Well, not all summer long, but for the month of July and August. And today is his birthday. So come along with me as we take a road trip to Shreveport. You down? Well, you don't have no choice but to be down, okay, honey? Because I ain't seen you guys in a long time, I think since Cancun. And we need to catch up, huh? It's been a minute. I miss my cousins. So I'm finna shut the house down and we're finna go to the salon. I'll pick y'all back up in a minute. Okay, family, I have just made it to the salon. As you can see, I am packed down. I got all this baby stuff up in here. Okay. I'm finna go in here and clean the salon up really quick. Hopefully it can be really quick. But let this be a reminder to you. Never put off today what you deep and dumb. I'm being deep and dumb at the same time. Never put off today. No, never put off tomorrow what you can do today. There you go. Never put off tomorrow what you can do today. So I should have cleaned this salon up before I left, but I was so tired. And now I have to do it now. And I'm still tired. But come on, let's go get it done so we can get on the road and go get Bray Bray. It's a mess, but we're finna get it cleaned up. Not really. I just left all my stuff out. Honey, I was tired, so. And then I did a lot of colors, so I left all this out, but not cool, not cute. Let's get it right. Oh, let me leave the salon keys just in case I don't get back in time. Okay, she should be all set. I just did not a deep clean, but a general clean so that she can have it for the day. I'm turning the lights off. And we're heading to Shreveport. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all in the car. I really love driving early in the morning when everything is quiet. It's something about being on the road before the world really wakes up that gives me time just to think. And today I've really been thinking about how fast time goes. 9 years ago, I gave birth to Braylon, and here I am about to pick him up to celebrate his 9th birthday. So it has me thinking about being intentional with our routines and our habits, and really setting the purpose for next school year. Okay, we're just picked up Braylon. I made 2 stops. I went to church and we grabbed some brunch, and then we got Braylon, who it's your what?
Birthday.
It's your birthday, so you know we gonna ride out. We got Landon in the house. Say hey.
That's my birthday.
Your birthday was last month.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're finna get ready to try to play a little golf, and we'll pick you up when we get to the place. Okay. Say hey, friend.
My birthday.
Yeah, we know. It's everybody's birthday today. Okay. Yeah. All right. We'll see y'all in a bit, friends. It's the birthday boy about to go hit them balls. Woo! Knock them out the park. You scared?
I'm getting ready. I found one. Stop! Let me see my key.
That was crack.
Yeah, my turn. Okay.
Wait, that's your phone? Good shot, Callie. Wait, do you have a new case?
Yay! Good job, Kelly.
Don't put that girl in.
He got some little wind under it.
Okay, then, brother.
Okay, my turn.
You over there hitting like Chris.
It's not your turn.
Again.
No!
We ain't got no candles in there? That's what she told me not to go.
Come on, happy birthday. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. We're going to do this right for my brother. One. Be quiet. We're going to start off 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Braylon. Happy birthday to you.
And hit him with that. Hit him with that. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, girl.
Happy
You can't really like stuff on the other.
birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Let me see.
Woo, woo, woo.
I want to say happy birthday. We sung 3 songs. This is the 4th. No.
Happy happy day.
Spin off. What else spin off?
All right, happy birthday, Braylon!
Happy birthday!
Go, Braylon. It's your birthday. Go, Braylon. It's your birthday. Go, Braylon. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Come here.
That's all you have for us? Okay.
I like your style, Callie. I like your style.
That's good. Wow, that's good.
Is it moist? It's good.
You say, oh, thank you.
That's some good cake.
You don't want him playing by her?
She likes to play. Chris Bow used to like Chris Bow.
Do you ever get tired of, hey, little boy, you ever get tired of, you could get 24 hours eat. You don't ever get tired of saying that. You can't hardly eat.
I'm trying to eat around.
Hello?
It's been a good boy.
Take a picture of him and Papa.
I'm tired of taking pictures anyway.
You gonna say goodbye to Papa?
Goodbye, Papa.
Give him a little kiss on the cheek.
You feeling how your neck? You feeling better?
You was homesick. Tell Papa bye.
You ain't going nowhere up the street.
Say bye. Say bye, Papa.
Bye-bye.
Go tell Mimi bye.
Take my picture.
It's on the picture.
Where's my phone?
Birth on that break.
Don't
Don't hold it.
I said I come see you by 2 or 3 weeks.
We're done eating cake.
You done eating the cake? I thought you wanted some more cake.
I do.
Okay.
Now you gonna have faith.
Turn around.
Face the wall, Callie. Face the wall.
Like a. Say cheese, Callie. Say cheese. That's 3, put up 2. Okay.
Hey, go Landon. Get in the picture, Landon. Get in that picture.
Playing a game.
I too.
Come on.
Playing the game and got all them monsters in my bathroom in my tub. You better get them more things out.
Move back. Move back. Say cheese. Now take one with Papa.
Everybody looking at
Take a picture with Papa. Okay.
Callie, it's not your turn.
Got it?
All right. Tell
I
Papa.
hate to see you go.
He had been
Right.
No, he not. He said your vacation was over. He said it's time to pack them up and get them on.
Look, I got the Spider-Man.
You gonna tell Kirsten? What you mean? Oh, go tell your sister bye.
Happy day, day, follow.
Yeah, you leave one.
Don't tell them
Happy
that.
day, day,
You leave one.
Don't get them started. I don't got to
follow.
stick
Happy
them.
day, day, follow.
Leave that little man.
Happy day, day,
You ain't go. Hey, honey, you ain't going with honey.
Here, Braylon.
I'm gonna get.
Mama some gas money?
You better use your gas money. I went got him.
You just stop doing the gas money?
Huh?
You stop giving people gas money? You in a recession?
Polly, you want it all right. Polly.
Well, I thought I had you.
Hey, Polly, you want it all right.
Out.
How much you got?
I'm happy.
That's money?
How much you got?
Nah, that's your money, baby.
That's my money?
I think so.
Yeah.
Put it in your pocket.
I ain't got to steal.
Honey,
No. Huh?
I'm
You hungry? Don't do that.
Christian,
Don't be saying-
what Christian is?
Don't
What he
say-
said? What he said?
Braylon.
He was on the phone. He
Don't
knows.
be-
Then he said he was gonna get a whipping if I do his head.
Cough. Mean mama. Now here comes the hardest part of the trip, and that's saying goodbye. It is so hard to say goodbye to the grandbabies and to my girls and my mom and dad, but we did have a ball. Even though it was a short time for me, I truly enjoyed myself in these 24 hours. If you enjoyed the video, drop a happy birthday in the comments for Braylon. And remember, we love you for watching.